Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. If you're getting married and you're concerned about your financial assets, then you might be thinking about a prenup. A prenup, or a prenuptial agreement, is a practical plan for how you want to deal with assets, debts, and other financial matters if your marriage breaks down. Under Australian family law, the correct name for a prenup is a financial agreement. At present, if you want to protect, or shall we say quarantine, certain assets from spousal claim, the only legal instrument available to you is a financial agreement. In a financial agreement, both parties give up the rights they would otherwise have under Australian family law to apply to the court for the division of the asset pool. Instead, the couple makes their own agreement about how they will deal with assets during the relationship and if their relationship breaks down. You might be wondering if a prenup is absolutely necessary. Well, that depends on your personal circumstances. If you need to protect assets, then you may consider it very necessary. But if you don't need to protect assets, then you might not. Remember too that it's not just about assets. You may want to quarantine debt or make provisions for children from a previous union. It's quite straightforward to make a prenup when you use our binding financial agreement kit and legal review service. We can help you create an agreement that reflects your wishes and provides you with peace of mind. For more information, visit financialagreements.com.au by clicking on the links below.